Guys, welcome back to art class. So today we're going to be drawing a mug of hot chocolate, and we are going to learn how to draw a 3D shape, which is the shape of the coffee cup or the coffee mug that has the hot chocolate in it, and then also continuing working with our shading that we've kind of been doing, adding a shadow down here to make it look like a little bit more realistic. Okay, so you just need a pencil and a blank piece of paper to start, and then you'll need crayons and markers, or just crayons or markers. Actually, no. You need crayons or colored pencils for this. You can also use markers, but you do need crayons and colored pencils for the shading part. Okay, so to start, the first thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to draw at the top here an oval. Okay, a sideways oval. So this top part here is called an ellipse, and this is going to be the top of the coffee to make it look like that you could put something in it. So this is going to kind of make it look 3D. Okay, once you have that, you're going to draw the sides of the coffee cup down, slightly in, kind of like slightly in like that, and then curved at the bottom. Okay, once you have that, we're going to kind of come back up to the top really quick, and we're just going to add a little line back here, which is the back of the coffee cup, and then in there is going to be the hot chocolate. Okay, and then on the side is your handle. All right, and then I put little marshmallows inside of here to make it look like it is hot chocolate. So I do the top of the marshmallow like that, just like an oval, and then two lines going down. Okay, so the top of the marshmallow is an oval, and then two lines going down like so. And then I'm going to kind of just draw some wavy lines at the bottom to make it look like they're in there. Okay. Next step is your horizon line, which is just back here, and that's going to separate the table that your mug is on from the background. Okay. We're going to make it look like it is steaming, so adding some lines in there. Okay, that's it for that step. And then next, you are going to outline if you choose to. Again, this is one of those optional steps. You do not have to outline. Oh, I missed that line. But if you would like to, you may certainly do that now. And then we're going to start the shading part in just a sec, okay? I'm going to actually outline this whole thing because I need it to show you guys some of the shading parts. So I do need it to be outlined. Okay? And then sometimes if you get outside the line when you're outlining, you can like see your pencil lines, you can always erase those if you choose to. Okay. Now, The next step is going to be to do your shading part. You guys are going to be able to add in any details that you want. If you wanted to decorate your coffee mug to have some sort of pattern and not be just one color, you can do that. So I did that for mine. I did just like a random pattern on there. But again, if you want your coffee mug to just be one color, you can do that too. Up to you. So I did just kind of like a simple pattern on mine. But for the one that I'm going to show you in this video, I'm just going to do one color just so it kind of goes a little faster and I don't waste your time by just showing you stuff. But it's all going to turn out the same whether you're doing a pattern or not. Okay, so to make this coffee or this mug, hot chocolate mug I should say, to make this look more realistic, more 3D, we need to add a cast shadow underneath. And we need to add shadows on the coffee cup to make it look more like it's rounded. Okay? So I think I'm going to do mine just this purplish blue color. Okay, so same thing that we've been doing. On one side of the mug, you're going to press hard next to the line. So I'm pressing hard with this color. And then as I go away from it, I am going to start pressing medium. How long do I press medium for? I would say, I think I need it to be a little bit darker over here. And then I would say once I get to the middle of this mug is when I should start pressing lighter, even lighter. So I'm going to start pressing even lighter as I get towards the edge. So this whole side is going to be super, super light. Like I'm hardly touching my crayon to the paper. It's very, very light. Okay. Now you can totally see where my shadow is. So it looks like there might be some kind of light on this side. This handle should probably be a little bit darker underneath because that's where the light is not going to reach it as much, and then lighter at the top. And then back here, I would say probably dark, only because there's going to be dark hot chocolate in there, and there wouldn't be a lot of light. Okay. Then your hot chocolate inside of the cup could be the same. You could technically do it dark on this side and then lighter as you go towards the lighter side. Or you could just do it all one shade. Up to you. I'm going to leave my marshmallows white. And I'm going to leave the steam at the top white. Okay, and then lastly, the thing I'm going to show you for the shadow underneath, you can choose to do this shadow whatever color you want. I will do mine something that somewhat matches this color. I'm going to do it this purplish color. Okay, so underneath here, this is called a cast shadow on the table. You want to make it look like there's a shadow underneath your mug. That's going to make your project look a whole lot more realistic. So I started dark right underneath, and then as I go away, I'm getting lighter and lighter. It doesn't have to be super big or anything, and it's just on the side. Okay, so that is just the basic 3D hot chocolate mug. And then if you wanted to if you wanted to finish it up, you would just color in your table, in your background, however you want. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back up. So this is the same, so with the pattern, if you're a little confused, like how would you do this shading with the pattern, you just, once you draw your pattern and you color it and you do the same thing. I just chose blue for this section, like this reddish purple for this section, dark to light, dark to light. Just make sure the dark is the same on each side as you go, okay? All right, you guys, I hope you had fun with this project, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.